Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup Simplified. For those of you who are new here, my name is Kashmira and we're gonna explore the world of makeup together. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Today I'm going to show you a nude makeup look using only 5 products. Now this look comes in very handy when you're in a hurry in the morning or also when you're traveling light. We'll see which 5 products I'm going to use as we go along. So let's get started. I have already moisturized my skin. Now, moisturizer can work well as a primer, just put an extra layer. However, if you have oily skin, then I would recommend using like either mattifying primer or just a mattifying moisturizer as well. Another way to do it is using a tinted moisturizer. So you have 2 products in one. So I'm gonna use this Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream by Bare Minerals. It's my favorite tinted moisturizer. And now using a buffing motion, I'm going to just blend it into the skin. Make sure you blend it well into your skin. Now, for this video, I'm going to use the bronzer as my eyeshadow as well as to sculpt my cheek. I'm using the one by Becca. Just adding a hint of color since it's an everyday look. If you want to deepen the color, you can just put more layers. Now the next step, I'm going to use the same bronzer now, just to give some warmth and definition to my cheek. Since it's an everyday look, I'm not going to do a lot of sculpting for my cheek, but just add some warmth and definition to it. Now there's a lot of browns and nudes in this makeup, so I'm going to just add a hint of color to my cheek. I'm going to use the Milani blush. Now, I really love this blush in Luminoso because it's not too pink, but it just adds the right amount of color to your skin. And I'm gonna go right on like the high points of my cheek instead of going on the apples of the cheek. Now I'll also go above my eyeshadow just to add some shimmer to it. Now again, using the same bronzer underneath my eye near the lash line. The next step is going to be the mascara. For the mascara, I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Remember the rolling motion for the mascara to get the most volume in your lashes. And to open up the eyes, I'm also going to do it on the bottom lashes. And the last step is going to be the lipstick. I'm using the shade Down to an Art. It's a matte lipstick by MAC. It's one of my favorite nude shades. It's got the perfect hint of nude and a little bit of a brown shade in it. Now I'm gonna dab this lipstick a little bit just to get that really natural look. And here is my final ultimate 5 product makeup look for everyday use. You can achieve this look in less than 10 minutes using only 5 products. Tell me in the comments below which are your 5 go-to products for everyday makeup looks. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time.